So we decided that we were going to explore Mill Valley. That's what this place is called, right?
That is what it is called.
We're trying to find one of the trails, and the directions are pretty quirky. So we'll see how it goes. This Mill Valley place is actually a really cute little town. Reminds me of, if anybody's seen Gilmore Girls, Stars Hollow. That's what it reminds me of. It's a cute little quaint town and really, really nice. Can't wait to explore. Right now, we are in the old saw mill. I'm assuming that's why it's called Mill Valley. Is it everything you've ever dreamed of, honey?
It's getting there.
Someone's getting their B-roll shots. Because that's what's important, you know. There are so many cute houses here. Would never be able to afford it. But if you have the money, this is definitely a place to be. So we found the trail. Woo. It's very nice and very pretty and super busy. Everyone is here. So it must be good if everyone's here. So Reno, being Reno, is climbing all the way up to get to the top of the waterfall. Is that an adventure, honey?
That was an adventure already. We've only gone one place so far.
How many places are we going to?
Dinner.
Ooh, food.
And Horse Hill Preserve.
I like food.
Yep. That's the next one. Dinner.
You filming you sitting down at a restaurant?
So nice. Look at this. Restaurante.
What did you end up ordering, honey?
I got half a chicken. Like I'm at El Pollo Loco. I have no idea. It looked like food.
I got enchiladas. I love enchiladas. So we finished with dinner. It was really good. Burnt my face a little bit, or a lot of it. But now we are at Horse Hill. What's Horse Hill, honey?
It's a hill with horses.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
It's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with a splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over?
So we're in Mill Valley, and it is in Marin County near San Francisco. It's a lot colder here than it is at where we live in the East Bay. The East Bay is like 100 degrees. Over here, it's 60. So we're slightly chilled. We see clouds rolling in.
You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
So, we see horsies, hence why it's called Horse Hill. Just slightly out of breath, but it's okay. The horsies are very pretty.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
What do you do there?
Filming you,
Why you do that?
because I can.
Why?
Because we're going on an adventure.
We are.
Mm-hmm.